In the last video, I talked about why intelligent systems need orchestration. In this one, I want to make that concrete. Orchestration is not just triggering tools. It is the layer that decides how reasoning, evaluation, governance, memory, and action are sequenced inside the system. At the simplest level, orchestration answers 5 questions. What should run? When should it run? What context should it receive? What constraints apply? What happens next? Those questions determine how the system behaves. First, orchestration controls sequence. A recursive reasoning step may need to happen before evaluation. Evaluation may need to happen before action. Governance may need to happen before either one is allowed to continue. If those steps happen in the wrong order, the system can appear intelligent while still behaving incoherently. Second, orchestration controls context. Not every part of the system should see everything. Some reasoning needs memory. Some evaluation needs constraints. Some actions need only the minimum context required to complete the task. Good orchestration decides what information is included and what information is deliberately withheld. Third, orchestration determines where constraints apply. Constraints are not useful if they show up too late. They have to be applied before the system commits to a direction. That means orchestration is partly about timing. The same constraint can be powerful or useless depending on when it enters the loop. Fourth, orchestration governs transition into action. Reasoning is one thing, acting is another. Before a system takes action, it needs to know whether the action is allowed, whether the evaluation passed, whether governance approved it, and whether the required context is valid. This is what separates a pile of intelligent components from an actual intelligent system. The components matter, but the order matters too. The context matters, the constraints matter, and the handoffs between layers matter. So, orchestration is not the intelligence itself. It is how intelligence is organized. It decides how recursion, evaluation, governance, memory, and action become one coherent system. Without orchestration, you don't have an intelligent architecture. You have disconnected capabilities.